Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Fesley Electronic Drum Set. This is going to be an unboxing and a product overview video. So let's get into it. Let me show you what this kit brings and how to put it together, and then I'll give my feedback towards the end. Okay, so I'm going to start putting this together now. The instructions are easy to follow. Okay, so now I'm gonna install the drum pads to each station. Next, I'm gonna install the cymbals. And next, I'm gonna install the module and then the kick pedals. So this is the brainchild of everything. So everything here is labeled, what plug goes where. All you have to do here is just look at the instructions and then match the one corresponding cord to the corresponding pad. Okay, so once you have connected all the cables to the corresponding areas, then you're able to install the plug. Okay, so next I'm installing the drum stool, and it even has the legs, and you can adjust it here to make it higher or lower. It even comes with headphones, so you can practice in silence. Okay, so this is how the Fesley Electric Drum Set looks once it's completed. You can see how it comes with a seat. It has your cymbals, your hi-hats, and your 4 drums. Comes with this headphones. Here's the module. You can set up your volume. It has a metronome. Has different drum kits, a coach. You could play songs on here. On this side, this is where your power button on and off is. This is where you plug in your power cord. This is your output. This is a 1/4 inch output. USB plug. This is for your headphones, and this is for the auxiliary in also. So the material is a good material. You can feel it as a mesh material. The plastic, hard plastic, even on it's a nice hard plastic, and this is like a smooth surface so you can hit it. So the drum set could take a good beating to it. And then here's your foot pedals. Very durable. Has a good recoil to it. Okay, so let me show you how the drum set sounds. I hooked up this 1/4 inch cable to my speaker on the bottom on the floor. So you can either use your own external speaker or plug in the headphone. So the option is up to you. So let me show you how it sounds. So that's the hi-hat. And this. Then it has the snare. And you're also able to change the different sounds using the kit selector. You're also able to play music on here. So this comes with a selection of music. So once you're getting advanced that you can follow with the beats, you can change it. So there's different sounds. The volume control, you can raise or lower the volume. You're also able to use the metronome. You can speed it up or slow it down if you need to. So it's good practice. You can even record your drumming session with the record button, and it will be saved to the laptop when you hook it up to the USB port there. So this is great for kids to practice. So my son is going to show you how it works. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great electric drum set. I like how easy it is to put together. I also like how well the quality of the cymbals and the drum pads feel. They could really take a good beating. This is great for all ages. Installation was very easy, and I also like how you're able to adjust how wide that you want the drum set or how narrow that you want the drum set. And I also like the different options that you have to either hook this up to an external speaker, or you can even plug in your headphones to use this. So this is a great buy, great quality. This is a perfect gift for anybody that likes to play drums.